Sonoanatomy of plantar ligament. There are two plantar ligaments. One is short plantar ligament and one is long plantar ligament. Short plantar ligament is also known as plantar calcaneocuboid ligament. It is a small but then strong ligament underside of the foot. So it runs between the calcaneum and the cuboid bone. It provides stability to the lateral arch of the foot. And long plantar ligament, on the other hand, it's a bit larger but a bit more superficial if we think from the plantar side. So it extends from the calcaneum to the base of the second to fifth metatarsal bone. It passes over the cuboid. So the ligament, this is also plays a critical role in maintaining the longitudinal arch of the foot, and it forms a tunnel. Actually, it forms a tunnel for the peroneus longus in the cuboid groove when this goes over the groove. So here you can see that if we put a, this is the probe position. If we put a probe in a longitudinal fashion in a long axis view of this ligament, then what you will see first in the right side, this is the calcaneum bone, and this side, this is the cuboid bone, and so this is the cuboid bone, this is the cuboid groove also is there. So here this is the position for short plantar ligament. It is between the calcaneum and cuboid. Here it is actually the calcaneocuboid joint, which is not very nicely seen, but we know that okay, this area is the joint, and just above that, this is the short plantar ligament. Above that, that is the long plantar ligament, goes straight. So the muscles are above. At present, we are not interested in that one. So here it is the cuboid groove, and we will be seeing the peroneus longus also. If we go more distally, then we will see that this long plantar ligament goes and inserts in the metatarsal bases.
Let us see the bones first. I am putting the probe in a long axis direction. This is a linear probe in a long axis direction towards the middle finger, middle toe, and I can see the calcaneum bone and also the cuboid bone. Here, the junction between calcaneum and cuboid is not very clear, but we know that this area is a junction between the two bones. So here I can see the area where short plantar ligament is seen. So this is the area. Now if I go more, and I also can see the long plantar ligament above. So this is the long plantar ligament. It is going over the cuboid. It is crossing the cuboid groove where the peroneus longus tendon I can see. This is the peroneus longus tendon, which is showing anisotropy. And then I can see the long plantar ligament is going up to the metatarsal base, and it is inserting there.
Join Asian Pain Academy to learn in depth the musculoskeletal ultrasound, which is related to the pain procedures.